I in e-commerce. I in e-commerce. Beginner level. Introduction. I in e-commerce refers to using artificial intelligence to improve online shopping experiences, automate business operations, and increase sales. E-commerce platforms are used worldwide for buying products online, selling goods and services, managing inventory, handling payments and orders, providing customer support. AI makes e-commerce systems smarter, personalized, faster, more efficient. Examples of AI in e-commerce include product recommendations, chatbots for customer support, personalized search results, fraud detection, demand prediction. This topic helps beginners understand how AI powers modern online shopping platforms. What is AI in e-commerce? AI in e-commerce is the use of intelligent systems to enhance online shopping and business operations. In simple words, AI in e-commerce equals using smart systems to improve online shopping and sales. A beginner-level system includes product recommendations, search optimization, customer support automation, order prediction, inventory management. Why AI in e-commerce is important. E-commerce platforms handle millions of users, large product catalogs, high transaction volumes. AI helps solve problems like checkmark improving customer experience, checkmark increasing sales, checkmark reducing operational costs, checkmark managing large data, checkmark detecting fraud. Key features of AI in e-commerce. Feature purpose. Recommendation systems suggest products to users. Chatbots handle customer queries. Search optimization improve product search. Fraud detection prevent fake transactions. Demand prediction predict product demand. Example e-commerce data. AI systems use data like e-commerce_data equals user John search laptop previous_purchases phone headphones cart_items 2 closing curly bracket simple recommendation example previous_purchases equals phone headphones if phone in previous_purchases print recommend phone accessories. How AI in e-commerce works. Step 1. Collect user data. AI collects search history, purchase history, browsing behavior, cart activity. Example, search equals laptop, cart_items equals 3. Step 2. Analyze user behavior. AI finds patterns. Example, if search equals laptop, print, user interested in electronics. Step 3. Make recommendations. AI suggests products. Example, if phone in previous_purchases, print, suggest phone accessories. Step 4. Automate processes. AI automates tasks like customer support, inventory updates, order processing. Example, orders equals 100, print, processing, orders. AI in product recommendation suggests items based on user behavior. User_history equals laptop, mouse. If laptop in user_history, print, recommend laptop accessories. AI in chatbots handles customer queries automatically. Question equals where is my order? Quote, if order in question, print, checking order status. AI in search optimization improves search results. Search equals shoes. If search equals shoes, print, show top rated shoes. AI in fraud detection detects suspicious activity. Transaction_amount equals 5000. If transaction_amount greater than 3000, print, flag for review. AI in demand prediction predicts product demand. Sales equals 200. If sales greater than 150, print, increase stock. Full menu-based AI e-commerce system. Python. Def recommend _ products. History equals input. Enter previous purchase. Quote, if history equals laptop. Print. Recommend. Laptop accessories. Else. Print. No recommendation. Def chatbot. Question equals input. Ask a question. Quote, if order in question. Print. Checking your order. Else. Print. How can I help you? Quote, def search _ products. Search equals input. Search product. Quote, print. Showing results for. Quote, search. Def fraud _ detection. Amount equals int. Input. Enter transaction amount. Quote, if amount greater than 3,000. Print. Transaction flagged. Else. Print. Transaction safe. Def demand _ prediction. Sales equals int. Input. Enter sales. Quote, if sales greater than 150. Print. Increase stock. Else. Print. Stock is sufficient. While true. Print. N1. Recommend products. Print. 2. Chatbot. Print. 3. Search products. Print. 4. Fraud detection. Print. 5. Demand prediction. Print. 6. Exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. Quote, if choice equals 1. Recommend _ products. If choice equals 2. Chatbot. If choice equals 3. Search _ products. If choice equals 4. Fraud _ detection. If choice equals 5. Demand _ prediction. If choice equals 6. Break. Else. Print. Invalid option. Concepts learned from AI in e-commerce. This topic helps beginners learn. Checkmark recommendation systems. Checkmark user behavior analysis. Checkmark automation. Checkmark data-driven decision making. Checkmark fraud detection basics. Real-life analogy. AI in e-commerce is like a smart shop assistant who knows what you like, suggests products, answers your questions, helps you find items, ensures smooth checkout. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding machine learning recommendation models, user profiles, database integration, web interface, React plus Spring Boot, payment system simulation, product rating system, personalized homepage. Common mistakes beginners make. Cross-mark ignoring user data. Cross-mark using static recommendations. Cross-mark not handling edge cases. Cross-mark oversimplifying logic. Cross-mark forgetting scalability. Where AI in e-commerce is used. AI is used in online shopping platforms, retail websites, mobile shopping apps, subscription services, digital marketplaces. Advanced systems include personalized recommendations, dynamic pricing, AI-powered chatbots, visual search, voice shopping. Simple definition. AI in e-commerce. The use of artificial intelligence to improve online shopping experiences and business operations. Final summary. AI in e-commerce is a powerful real-world application of AI. It helps beginners learn. Checkmark recommendation systems. Checkmark automation. Checkmark data analysis. Checkmark customer interaction. It plays a major role in modern online businesses.